This is the new Clark City Sports Complex in Capas, Tarlac, one of the main venues of the 2019 Southeast Asian Games, housing the athletic stadium, aquatic center, and other facilities. On Wednesday, the National Bureau of Investigation said it has officially launched a probe on the alleged irregularities involving infrastructure projects constructed for the 2019 Games. According to NBI Director Melvin Matibag, they received information indicating billions of pesos in government funds tied to the projects have yet to be properly liquidated. The NBI is also looking into allegations that a private company received an estimated 10 billion pesos through congressional insertions in the General Appropriations Acts or GAA, allegedly without undergoing public bidding.
At mayroong private company rito na na-involve na binayaran ng 10 billion at ang pagbabayad insertion sa GAA. Walang bidding, tapos nabayaran ng mabilisan na 10 billion yung halaga, congressional insertion. So sisilipin namin to.
At the time, Senator Alan Peter Cayetano served as chairman of the Philippine Sea Games Organizing Committee or FISGOC. Matibag says, if necessary, the Bureau may invite or summon Cayetano as part of its investigation.
It so happens siguro na siya involved dito, no? At tayo naman, ang record naman ng NBI, we'll always go where the evidence will lead us, kung ano yung batas, kung ano yung proseso. No? So, kung sa kailangan natin siyang tanungin, we will respectfully ask him to give light to this. And I'm sure si Senator Alan, kung siya kasama rin dito, I'm sure that he will appreciate na may imbestigahan natin ito ng maayos.
Even before the formal investigation began, the issue had already reached the Senate during the ongoing impeachment trial, where sibling Senator Alan Peter Cayetano and Senator Pia Cayetano criticized Matibag. They questioned the timing of the probe.
So, aksidente ba na yesterday, suddenly after I mentioned it, and after during the weekend, many have been talking about na dapat ata hindi 16. So 21 na lang kami ngayon eh. So 2/3 of 21 is 7. Pag nabawasan pa kami ng 3, 13 na lang yon. Question. The chilling effect is there, but am I intimidated? Wala na akong choice. Ilalabang ko na to.
Is he trying to intimidate us not to ask him tough questions when he is our resource person next week? I do not know. But those statements, those actions are not acceptable, possibly contemptible. So I ask the presiding officer and you, my dear colleagues, let's think about this clearly.
Matibag says the NBI will also take another look at the controversial 50 million peso SEA Games cauldron as part of its review of projects linked to the regional sporting event. The cauldron, designed by national artist Francisco Manyosa, had been the subject of Senate hearings that same year. Cayetano at that time insisted there was nothing anomalous in the construction of the cauldron. On Wednesday, Cayetano said all funds. CBN News also sought the side of Bases Conversion and Development Authority, which manages the Clark Metropolis. The agency previously said in 2019 that the construction of the new Clark City Sports Complex complied with existing government procurement laws and underwent all required approvals and audits. BCDA also maintained that the project was transparent, above board, and open to any investigation. Z. Ann Ambrosio, ABS-CBN News.